Hi guys, so today I'm gonna go for a marriage of my friend in this pandemic, and you know that in this pandemic you should follow certain guidelines and everything, right? So I will definitely show you how the marriage is gonna occur with a few people and taking care of precaution measures. When I'm carrying a mask with me, okay. So my friend have came to pick me up, so let's go and attend the marriage.
So my friends have came to pick me up. So I entered into the car. Now we are going to the marriage venue. It is in Guruvayur Temple, which is located in Ahmedabad. Before that, we are going to our friend's home to pick them up to the venue. So they are also coming with us. So we have reached their flat. Okay, it's on the way only. So that's why we reached here. So we are going inside their flat. So let's go upstairs. Yay, we have reached to their flat. Okay, so now on the way, see, he's a bit shy. Don't bother. So they are already got ready, almost ready, and we are waiting for the lift now. Okay, now we are gonna party. Actually, we are too much excited about this marriage and also meeting our friends after a long time, maybe like months it's been. So we're gonna go to the venue. Let's see now what happens. Okay, so now we are on the way. I'm just fast forwarding the travel and all because I really don't want you people to get bored. Okay, we are almost here, reaching to the venue. Okay, yay, we reached the venue at the time. Okay, okay, the people, no one is there. Okay, so I think we are the first people who is gonna be entering into the temple. See how responsible we are all wearing the mask. Okay, and then now we are gonna like wait here until someone comes. Even we are discussing about it, should we wait here or should we wait inside? Anyways, I'm really happy that it's the first time I'm reaching, like, especially for a marriage, early and on time. Most of the time I reach by when the marriage function gets over. Okay, so we are still discussing, let's go inside or outside. Okay, we have decided that we are gonna enter into the temple. Okay, this is the temple. This is the Malayali temple, the Malu temple in Ahmedabad, one of the Malu temple in Ahmedabad. It is located in Lamba. And here comes our friends, our gang. Even they are too much excited about my vlog. They really wanted to, like, see, look at her, how excited she is. Now we are waiting for the bride. Okay, the gang came. Yay, the bride came. Look at her, how beautiful she is. To be very frank, all women look too beautiful on the day of their wedding, in the wedding attire. Look at her. I'm really missing my wedding days actually. Now it's our selfie time, and we are roaming here and there and clicking some beautiful pictures because everyone dressed well, right? One picture with the bride is mandate, right? Okay, now she went to have some rituals before the wedding. So this is what we called as dakshina, like respecting the elders by giving them the bitter leaf. You mean the palm leaf? Okay, so these beautiful ladies out here is waiting for the groom. It's like a ceremony welcoming the groom with the talam. So that diya and all will be kept inside that talam. Talam is a plate usually. So the groom arrived. So we are welcoming this groom with this talam, with these beautiful ladies. Okay, it's a tradition. And now the groom and the bride is gonna sit on the pedum. So first the bride is gonna sit in that pedum, that white thing you can see. So we usually sits on the floor for all those rituals with the barefooted. Okay, so now she's gonna sit on that pedum after this feras. Now the groom also came. Now the groom is gonna tie the knot, the Mangal Sutra, on her neck. We call it as tali ketta in Malayalam. Tali means the Mangalsutra. Ketta is tying the knot. Okay, so she's so happy. They are happy because it's been like 5 years of their love story. It's finally ended with their marriage. Now they are exchanging the garland. So this is also a tradition. We'll exchange the garland. Okay, so everyone is happy. Everyone is so happy with this stuff, like, and we are also happy that we are able to be the part of this auspicious occasion, and they really valued us in their life. See, such an important thing is happening, and they have just invited we friends also for the occasion. Now he's putting the sindoor on her forehead. The final ritual is also done. We don't have much complicated rituals. You can see how happy they are. Finally they made it, like their love story got fruitful. I'm really happy for them. Like, we are really happy for them. Let's pray for them to live 7 birth together and also like 100 years of togetherness. Happy for them. Now they are doing this fairas, or in Malayalam we call this pratikshanam. We have this 3 fairas. We don't have this 7 fairas and all, but we take an oath for 7 birth only, but we do this 3 fairas. Look at their face, they are so happy together. And now it's the time for Bidai. The girl is like, she's crying literally. Poor girl. I think I didn't cry. Silly me. Okay, now we are heading to the groom's home. We are gonna pack into this car, and now we are moving to their home. See my beautiful young ladies. They are not even looking at me. And we look like funny in this mask also. Now we have reached the groom's home. So now the groom's mother will be welcoming the bride with a lamp. We will call it as Nilavelakku, and that is Graha Pravesham for us. Now they will do all those rituals. The marriage is over and we are chilling in there upstairs. Look at us, we are so tired and really irritated with those masks, but safety first, yeah, right? So we are gonna head back to my home. See you soon at home. Hi, so reached here after marriage, and it was really fun actually to have to be a part of such marriage, and I think it can be a history also, marrying at the time of COVID or Corona, and it was really fun, and I hope you like this video and hope you have seen all those rituals and everything, and it was really fun and we friends enjoyed a lot. Although it was a small wedding, or although it was a small time, but it was really fun. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up and share with your friends and drop your comments below. And if you want to connect with me in my Facebook, Instagram, then drop me your DM to the, and that's it. Bye, take care, see you, stay safe.